If you live in the eastern United States, chances are you are dealing with a winter storm right now. For many people, this means power outages. But did you know solar storms can knock out the power on a much larger scale? When a powerful enough geomagnetic storm strikes Earth, it can result in radio blackouts and even geomagnetically induced currents that travel along electric lines and overload transformers. For most planets in our solar system, solar storms are more impactful than planetary precipitation. On Mercury, the stark change between day and night can flip the temperature by hundreds of degrees, and when solar storms occur, this can lead to surface erosion, where charged plasma can actually blast the sandy surface of the desolate planet. On Mars, the planet that lacks a strong geomagnetic field, solar storms actually charge the atmosphere, resulting in massive electrostatic storms that roll through the skies and strike the surface, resulting in radiation that would endanger human life. Earth is blessed to have a thick atmosphere and magnetic field that block out the most harmful effects of solar storms. However, when a large enough solar storm points its aim at Earth, the impact can be drastic. In 1989, during solar maximum, the sun sent out a massive solar shower that caused power outages for millions in Canada. Over the past few decades, even more infrastructure has been placed on the electric grid. From global internets, cellular communication networks, and even cryptocurrency and the global economy are all dependent on intricate data transfer. Satellites, data servers, and a global electric grid sustain these important pillars of our modern world. Scientists warn that it's only a matter of time before a large enough solar storm strikes Earth and wreaks havoc. This year is peak solar maximum, and over the past several days of 2025, we have already seen massive X flares and a G4 geomagnetic storm. If this is any indication of how the rest of the year will play out, you cannot afford to go without solar awareness this year. Being aware of solar weather is just as important as being aware of winter storms. For that reason, we made FlareAware. Just like the alerts you receive on your phone about a snow emergency, we send similar alerts when a significant solar storm is detected that could lead to any sort of issues, whether that be a lack of sleep and an increase in heart rate variability, or something more serious like a radio blackout or sporadic power outages. You will be aware. FlareAware is an affordable service because we want everyone to practice solar weather awareness without having to spend their valuable time trying to make sense of satellite imagery and scientific data. Just like how a meteorologist tells you a simplified version of what the storm front will be doing to impact your life, FlareAware does the same thing. Rather than being surprised and alarmed when auroras light up the skies this year, sign up below and start being ahead of the curve on solar weather this year. Be the person among your friends and family that tells everyone that they will be seeing the aurora borealis that Saturday. Be aware with FlareAware.